Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn the two quick ways to adjust exposure in iPhone photos. Exposure controls the brightness of your image and it can be easily adjusted on iPhone. What's more, you can fine-tune the exposure not only in the camera app before snapping a shot, but also in the Photos app after you have captured an image. That means if you find any image too bright or too dark, you can easily fix it during editing. That said, let's get started. First off, let's learn how to adjust exposure in iPhone camera. To do so, open the camera app on your iPhone. After that, point the camera on something that you want to capture. Then you need to tap anywhere on the screen to access the automatic focus area and exposure setting. After that, you can tap where you wish to move the focus area. Next, you can drag the slider up or down to perfectly adjust the exposure. And if you want to lock your manual focus and exposure settings for upcoming shots, just touch and hold the focus area until AEAF lock appears at the top. And if you ever want to unlock the settings, simply tap anywhere on the screen and you are good to go. Next up, it's time to learn how to adjust exposure of any image using the Photos app on iPhone. Fine-tuning the exposure of any image in the Photos app is just as straightforward. To get going, launch the Photos app on your iPhone. After that, open the image which exposure you would like to adjust. Then tap on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Exposure button at the bottom. Next up, you can drag the slider left or right to perfectly adjust the exposure of the image. When you are happy with the result, make sure to tap on Done at the bottom right corner of the screen to confirm the action. Later, if you ever want to revert the change, just tap on the Edit button, then hit Revert at the bottom right corner of the screen to finish. That's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily adjust the exposure of any image on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.